Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. Just worked on a 2019 Honda Civic. Customer changed his tire because it went flat, and he put his spare tire on. All of a sudden, his steering wheel, his tire pressure sensor, and his ABS all came on at the same time. I explained to the customer that the original tire that actually blew out has a tire pressure sensor in it, and the car is trying to have the proper angle to actually be able to drive, and all those sensors are all tied together. With that being said, all he had to do is just change to the regular tire, get the tire repaired, and put the tire back on, and it will reset itself, or we can reset it. But it was a very simple situation, and a lot of people with Honda Civics and these cars that have all these sensors just got to understand all the sensors are all locked together into one, and when one fails, it starts setting off a chain reaction. It's just programmed to do it that way. So don't be alarmed, just change the tire, drive the car, it will reset itself, or we can reset it either way. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.